Hey, what's up YouTube? Redrix here, trying out my tripod on this phone. I just purchased a holder for my tripod so I can use this on my iPhone. I'm trying to get ready, even though I'm leaving for in around 1.5 months to go to South Korea to attend to the Tekken tournament, coaching our Danish Tekken champion. I just want to make ready so I can do some vlogging, some video editing and so on, and this is just the first step towards that. So this is nothing about that. This is actually about Last of Us. So Last of Us, or Naughty Dog, just announced that they're going to postpone the release date of Last of Us. So it's not coming out February 21st, it's going to come out May 29th. And the reason being is because they said that it is not a Naughty Dog level game yet, as they actually was closing the game, not closing it, but you know, doing the fine touch up and getting ready to just end the chapter of developing the game. But then they found some stuff and they found out. I'm going to try to link the statement from Naughty Dog down in the description box down below for you to read the full article from Naughty Dog. But they just say it is not Naughty Dog game level yet, and they really want Last of Us to be very, very great, and you guys won't be disappointed. Now, I seen some of the comment section in it was actually on Facebook. It was shared by GameStop Nordic Facebook site. They shared the Naughty Dog statement, and actually I could not find, or well, there was a couple, but not a lot of them was disappointed. They were actually just happy because they are getting other games to play before it comes out. They really want, and they understand, Naughty Dog, that they really want Last of Us to be great. So it doesn't mind them that they'll have to wait what, March, April, May, yeah, so 3 months. They have to wait 3 more months, and they don't even they're not even saddened about this. They're just happy that they're still trying to fix the game so it will be at a good level for a Naughty Dog to release. So yeah, that was actually just that for today's video. Are you guys sad? I was actually very, very sad because, oh my god, it's just 2 months away. No, I mean, it's just 4 months away. And then when I started realizing that it's just a good thing that they're postponing the game, I'm happy as well. Naughty Dog, thank you for updating everyone. See, I've got all the Last of Us copy. I've got the Ellie edition, and I've got the Joel edition, and another Ellie edition. This is just for PS3. No, yes, this is for PS3. That's for PS3 as well, and this is the remastered edition for PS4. All right, guys. I'll see what I else can do for you guys regarding news updates. But this was just about Last of Us, and I'll see you in the next stream or even the next video. So Redrix over and out. Peace.